Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm going to be doing a quick mod. I'm going to be replacing the headlight on the Fatboy, and I bought this LED headlight from Amazon. So I heard it's a pretty easy installation. So there's a screw underneath right here that you have to remove. That should get rid of your headlight cover. So it's just held by one screw, I believe. Yep. I should take this little ring in the hat cover off. As you see, it's just one screw. Now, for the actual headlight, there's three screws only. 1, 2, 3. Start with this side. Looks like they've never been touched, so they're a little rough. Either that or my screwdriver. Not the right one for the job. 1 second. So that's it. It's pretty much held by this right here, which you just have to pull out, I believe. It's another ring. There you go. Easy removal. Okay, for this part you have to really look carefully because there's little tabs. You got 2 tabs up here. 1, 2. You got to line them up to your headlight. 1, 2. To this part right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, this is a very direct installation. Easy plug and play. That's it. So you line them up right there. Alright, so here it is. It was a fairly easy installation, and let's check it out. There you have it. Pretty good. Let me turn the light off so you guys can check it out. there you have it. Pretty bright. Okay, so all you got to do now is just make sure you line up the trim to the holes here and reinstall that. You got your three screws going back in. Make sure it's properly lined up. Whoa. Drop the screw. Here it is. It has a small gap right here in between. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that right here. So it does look pretty clean. Gives it a nice look, but I don't know. But I also like the classic look on here. This looks nice to me. Alright, so let's wrap this up. I decided to stick to the original, but I did remove the top part right here, the hat. So I'm going with the classic look for this one. Next will be the wheels. I'm actually removing the spokes and putting the solids on this bike. Came with the solids when I purchased. So that's next on here. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Thanks for checking it out.